अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. Salutations to the Guru, who, with the coryllium stick of knowledge, has opened the eyes of one blinded by the disease of ignorance. English translation of the letters of Most Revered Swami Gyanananda Ji, published in Hindi version of Gahan Ananda Chintan, are presented here. This is letter number 85. Dear daughter, your letter dated 30th October reached here on 2nd November. This is only your delusion that all the people of the world will be according to your liking. And the only reason for this delusion is that you still have the desire to get happiness from the world. Focus on the lives of Sri Sri Thakur, Sri Sri Ma and Swami Vivekananda. Tell me, what expectations of getting happiness did they have from this world? What happiness did they get? In this world, you will not find anyone who will understand you. Only Sri Sri Thakur, Sri Sri Ma, who reside in your heart, will know you and understand you as you really are. So don't expect any happiness from this world. Do not ever think that somehow someone will connect to you and know you for who you really are. In the history of spiritually inclined people, this has never happened and never will. If you want to lead a life of renunciation, then you will have to remain detached and unaffected by the criticism and insulting behavior of the people. Holy Mother used to say that there are 3 S in the alphabets, which means forbear, forbear, forbear. It means not to have any expectations from anyone, yet serve everyone without any motive to the best of your capacity. Then you will not be provoked. What your father has said, Swami Vivekananda has also said the same thing regarding the coming time for the monks in this future. Swamiji has said that in future, in the field of education or in times of natural calamities like floods, earthquakes, famines, etc., the government would be doing all the relief work required. Religious organizations or sadhus would not have to get involved in such works. Besides, monks would also find it difficult to receive alms from the society. That is why it would be better for them to put their money in the banks and use the interest for their livelihood. Thus, free from financial worries, they should remain absorbed in sadhana. Ever your well-wisher, Swami Gyanananda. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Tat Sat Sri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.